This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Trish Ellis. On you mark. Get set. Go. Who is going to win this prize? Gated community with low HOA and no CDD. This meticulously maintained home is ready for you. Hurry! This one will not last long. This awesome open concept floor plan with a sunny great room opens to the kitchen. Wait until you see the master suite. Large bedroom with room for a desk too. Master bath with 2 sinks, garden tub and shower. Secondary bedrooms have carpet and share a full bath. Enjoy the outdoor space, which includes a covered lanai and fire pit area for you to sit back and relax on peaceful summer nights. Nice sized 3/4 fenced backyard with no backyard neighbors. Front yard has a view of the large pond. All of this in a small gated community in Apollo Beach. Be a part of the growing South Shore area, new restaurants and shopping in the area, minutes to Publix. Close to I-75 for your commutes to Tampa or Sarasota. This home will be sold by Sunday. For more information,